Watch this. I'm going to take a 40-minute YouTube video, turn it into plain text in under 30 seconds, and hand that text to an AI that reads it faster and remembers it better than you ever could after sitting through the whole thing. No software to install, no account you have to pay for, just a link, a click, and a wall of text that an AI can actually use. By the end of this, you'll be able to do the exact same thing with any video you find. Lectures, interviews, long tutorials you don't have time to watch twice, all of it turned into something you can search, summarize, and question in seconds. Here's why this works, and why almost nobody uses it properly. An AI model doesn't watch video, it reads text. So the moment you hand it a transcript instead of a link, you've removed the one barrier that makes video useless to a language model. You're not asking it to guess what's happening on screen. You're giving it the exact words that were spoken, in order, ready to be summarized, questioned, or rewritten into anything you want.
Most people skip this step entirely. They paste a YouTube link into a chat and expect magic. It doesn't work that way, and in a minute, I'll show you exactly why that mistake wastes your time. Before we go further, tap like on this video, drop a comment with the word transcript so I know you're following along, and subscribe now, because the method I'm about to show you at the end of this video will save you even more time than what you're about to learn in the next few minutes. Let's start with the method that costs nothing and needs no extra tool. Open any YouTube video. Underneath the video, next to the like and share buttons, there's a row of 3 dots. Click that. A menu opens, and inside it you'll see an option that says Show Transcript. Click it, and a panel slides out on the right side of the screen with the entire spoken content of the video broken into short lines with timestamps next to each one. From here, you have 2 choices. You can click the 3 dots inside that transcript panel and toggle off timestamps, which gives you cleaner text. Or you can just select everything with your mouse, copy it, and paste it wherever you're working. Either way, in under a minute, you've turned a video into raw text. This works on almost any video that has captions, whether those captions were uploaded by the creator or generated automatically by YouTube. The only videos where this fails are ones where captions were deliberately disabled, which is rare and which we'll deal with in a moment. Now, here's the first real example, so you can see this isn't theoretical. Say you found a 40-minute interview with someone explaining how they built a business from nothing. You don't have 40 minutes. You pull the transcript using the method I just showed you, and you paste that entire block of text into Claude with one instruction. Extract every specific number, tool, or decision they mention, and ignore the small talk. What comes back isn't a vague summary, it's a list. The exact software they used, the dollar figure they started with, the 3 decisions they say mattered most. You just got the useful 10% of a 40-minute video without watching a single frame of it. That's the whole point of this, not to save time for the sake of saving time, but to get the signal without the noise. Now, the built-in YouTube method has one weakness. It only works one video at a time, and you have to be on the actual YouTube page to use it. If you're doing this often, or if you want a smoother copy without doing the click and select dance every time, there's a second method. There are free websites built specifically to pull a transcript from a YouTube link. You paste the video URL into the site, it fetches the transcript automatically, and gives you a clean, copy-ready block of text. No timestamps, no clutter. Search for YouTube Transcript Generator, and you'll find several. They all do roughly the same thing, so pick one, bookmark it, and that becomes your fast lane whenever the built-in method feels slow.
This matters more than it sounds like, because once you start doing this regularly, the tool you use should disappear from your attention completely. The best workflow is the one you stop noticing. Now for the method built for people who do this constantly and who are comfortable with a little more setup, a command line tool. There's a free open source tool called YT-DLP. It's built to download video and audio, but it also has a mode that pulls just the subtitle file from a video without touching the video itself. If you already work in a terminal, this is the fastest way to grab transcripts in bulk from an entire playlist in one command, instead of clicking through videos one at a time. You don't need this method to get value from everything else in this video,
But if you're the kind of person who's already comfortable typing commands instead of clicking buttons, this is the one that scales. Now, let's talk about the mistake almost everyone makes right after they get the transcript, because this is where most people quietly ruin the whole process. Auto-generated captions are not clean text. They're often missing punctuation, they sometimes misspell names or technical terms because the speech-to-text system guessed wrong. And if you paste that mess into an AI with no instructions, you'll get a mediocre response back because you gave it a mediocre question. Here's the fix, and it's simple. Never just paste a transcript and say, summarize this. Instead, tell the AI what shape you want the answer in before you paste anything. Say something like, I'm giving you a raw, auto-generated transcript. It may have errors in spelling or missing punctuation. Ignore filler words and false starts. Give me the 5 most useful, specific points, with any numbers or names kept exact.
That one instruction changes everything. You're not just handing over text anymore, you're handing over text with a job attached to it. And a language model does dramatically better work when it knows the job before it sees the material. Here's a second real example to make this concrete. Imagine you pulled the transcript from a long product review video, the kind that rambles for 20 minutes before getting to the actual verdict. Paste that transcript in and just ask for a summary, and you'll often get back a summary that's just as rambling as the video because the AI mirrored the structure it was given. Instead, ask this. From this transcript, give me only the reviewer's final verdict, the 2 biggest complaints they mentioned, and 1 direct quote that captures their overall opinion. Notice what changed. You didn't ask for less work, you asked for a specific shape. And the response you get back is something you can actually use immediately, not something you have to reread 3 times to extract meaning from. This is the difference between using AI as a toy and using it as an actual tool. The transcript is the raw material. The instruction is what turns it into something valuable. Now, once you're comfortable with single videos, here's where this gets genuinely powerful. If you're researching a topic, don't stop at 1 transcript. Pull 3 or 4 videos on the same subject from different creators and paste all of them into the same conversation, clearly labeled by source. Then ask the AI to compare what each one says, point out where they agree, and flag anywhere they contradict each other. This is something you cannot do by watching video. Nobody sits through 4 hours of content just to compare 4 opinions side by side, but text makes it trivial. You've just turned a slow, manual research process into something that takes a few minutes and gives you a clearer picture than any single source would have on its own. And if you're doing this kind of research regularly, this is exactly what Claude's projects feature is built for. You can drop multiple transcripts into 1 project as reference material, and every new conversation inside that project can pull from all of them, without you having to paste everything again each time. You build a small library once, and you keep drawing from it. That one habit, saving transcripts into a dedicated space instead of pasting them fresh every single time, is the single biggest shift between someone who uses this trick once and forgets it and someone who turns it into an actual system they rely on every week. And that brings me to the one thing I actually want you to walk away with today. I test new AI deals every week. If a new free method comes out, you'll see it here first. That's it. That's the reason to stay around for the next one. Not because I'm asking you to, because the tools change constantly, the free options shift, and the fastest way to not waste time chasing outdated methods is to have someone already testing them before you have to. So here's what to do next. Go pull a transcript from a video you've been meaning to watch but haven't had time for. Paste it in with a specific instruction, not just summarize this. And notice how much faster you get to the part that actually matters to you. That's the whole method. Simple, free, and something you'll probably use for the rest of the time you spend working with AI.